see the world through a keyhole so small, a glimpse of the wide, but I can't see it all. The wind whispers secrets it wants me to find, but my feet are stuck, tainted undone. Every door is locked tight, but the cracks hold the light. Through the keyhole I see more, a world unknown, an open door. If I reach, will it let me through, or fade away like morning dew? A bird sings a song that I've never heard, a melody soft, every note like a word. The trees sway in rhythm, a dance they all know, while I stand here still, afraid to let go.